Using this series of demos, we're going to explore some of the features of Lucidpress in a little bit more detail and help you understand exactly why we're using Lucidpress rather than Google Docs or Google Slides or Google Sites or whatever it might be. So go to lucidpress.com and click on My Documents after logging in. And then once you get to a screen that looks something like this, you'll see your Lucidpress course assignment in here. Now, something you need to know about Lucidpress and the edu-free version that we have is that it only lets you have 3 documents at a time. So if you ever have 3 and you need to create a new one, delete whichever one you're not using. And you can always clear those out as long as you're done with the work for whatever class you're using it for. Click the New button and choose Blank Document and wait for it to load while you read the inspirational quote there. Mine's by Milton Glaser. And then you'll end up on a blank document. We're going to change the name of this to your last name _practice. And the first thing we're going to do is take a look at how you can change the background color. Over here on the context pane, you'll see the option for background. And of course, you can click on that little white rectangle and you can choose any solid color you want. But you can also use this color wheel and choose a color that fits your needs better. So you're not limited to just these colors that you see here. And then when you do choose a color, it's going to end up in your document colors, so you can come back to it later. You can also click on linear, and that will create a gradient. So if I want this gradient to go from this color to this color, you can see how I did that. And you can drag this around. And I don't like the way those 2 colors are coming together. So there we go. And you can also change the rotation. Whoa, that's amazing. I love it. Or you can put in an exact degree by typing in there. You can click on radial and do something similar. Notice I can drag these around and create all kinds of amazing shapes. And you can even put an image as your background, which I don't tend to do, but it is an option. So go ahead and experiment with some different colors, some gradients, whether it's radial or linear, and then go on to the next video.